Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm just showing you guys how to replace the Honda key battery. So right now I'm going to show you guys. So this key is still working, the battery is good. This one completely dead. See that? Now I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery. Now you're going to need one of this kit. You can buy this at O'Reilly. They have very small Phillip, and the battery you're going to be buying is the CR1616 right there. Now you're going to put in the right there. You're gonna unscrew the screw right there, and then you're gonna separate it. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but there you go. You're gonna separate it. After you separate the key, you're gonna separate the button piece right here. You're gonna separate them, and then the battery is right here. Now you're gonna use your small flathead right here. You're gonna shove it into the under the battery and pop it up. Take out the old one, put in your new one, and then press it down. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Got my new one in. I'm gonna put the piece back, and then there you go. Snap back like that, and then I'm gonna press everything back into the cover. You're gonna snap everything back just like that. Tighten down the screw, not too crazy. Now go test it. Now I'm gonna test both of them out. This is the one with the new battery. There you go. You see, it's locking now. Unlocked, locked. The other one worked. So that is it to this video, guys. That's how you replace the Honda CR-V key. It's pretty much the same for all the other key if you have the same kind, but that is it to this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm out. Peace.